Hello, Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. Today I've got a bit of an unboxing video. It's a Momo steering wheel that I've got through the guys down at FUEL AUTOTEK. They're the official importer for Momo and all other brands for your automotive modifications. Go check them out. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Here it is. Came today, so I'm quite excited to get this on the car. I've had Momo steering wheels on previous cars. I used to have an MX-5 in the past. I've had an RX-7. They've all had Momo steering wheels. I really rate Momo steering wheels. They are fantastic. My one now is a Momo steering wheel. I've changed from the factory Land Rover Defender steering wheel because it is a bit like driving a bus. It's huge, so it's been really good having a 350mm steering wheel, which this is the same as what I have now. I'm changing my current Momo one because when I first got the car, it was one of the first things I did was put a new steering wheel on it, and I wasn't really into four-wheel driving at that time. So it's got a bit of suede around it, and that suede mixing with water and mud does not really go together, and it's faded a bit. So there's nothing wrong with the steering wheel, I just want to freshen up the look a bit. So guys down at FUEL AUTOTEK have lobbed me a Momo steering wheel. Let's have a look at it. So first thing here is the horn button. My horn doesn't work through this button. It's on the side of one of the stalks. So I've just got to put that in there for the looks. We've got the receipt. Another like a little catalogue brochure thing with steering wheels and gear knobs and stuff on it. And a couple Momo stickers. A little Hot Wheels V-dub Momo car. It's actually pretty cool. And then the actual steering wheel. So, get rid of this box. Yeah, typical Momo packaging. Can't miss Momo packaging. The red and the yellow. Let's open it up. Screws for the wheel. Now I've already got a boss kit on there, which is what you'll need if you've never had a Momo steering wheel before. You need to convert the hub, I guess you call it, what the steering wheel sits on, so it accepts the right amount of screws. Seeing as I've already got I've got a Momo Nero, which is the same screw pattern as this. So I don't have to worry about a boss kit, but if you are thinking about getting a Momo steering wheel, you will need to see if you need a boss kit. So felt bag that it comes in with the Momo symbol, and here it is. So this is the Prototipo carbon fiber. So it's leather stitched outer and then a carbon fiber inner. And I think this looks really cool. It's really gonna, it's a bit race car-ish, but I like it. It's gonna go well with the interior of my car, which is predominantly black and grey. So I'll do some panning shots, but yeah guys, that's it. This was from FUEL AUTOTEK. They're in New South Wales. Get on their web page, get on their Instagram page, Facebook page, hit them up. They've got more than just, you know, Momo stuff. They've got mag wheels, gear knobs, you know, all that sort of stuff. So go and check them out. I'm going to get this on the car now. I'm excited. Right, so we're in the car. I'm going to install it. Shouldn't take too long, so just show you how that goes. You get the Allen key in the packaging with the screws. So just bust that open and I'll proceed to undo these. There we go. So that's off. It doesn't take too long. There's this metal plate in there. You leave that lined up with your screw holes. You get your horn button, and there's a little wire that's in the shape of a circle, and you jam that in to those 4 forks, and that's what I guess holds those forks in position or pushes them out, so that when you do put it in, it holds in place. So make sure your steering wheel's straight. You put your steering wheel on straight. I push that in there so it's all straight as well. That's about right. And then you just screw it off. So get your screws. Start them by hand. One. That's it. So it's all installed. I really like the look of it. I really think it complements the cabin. So again, I'll chuck a couple of shots up so you can see what it looks like. But very happy. Fuel AUTOTEK, Momo distributor for Australia. Go check them out. I'm going to be loving this steering wheel. See you on the next video, guys.